name is Ana Ortega, and I am a first grade teacher and the 21st Century Coordinator at C.W. McGraw Elementary School. And tonight, it is our second annual Family S.T.E.A.M night, where we are showcasing all grade level student projects in our school's cafeteria, and also we're offering hands-on activities to our families and students and community in the areas of STEAM. Each station is focusing in one of the areas of STEAM, which means science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Our stations are being led by students in our IT program and also students in our STEAM club programs. Other booths are being led by our community partners. One of our main goals for tonight is to have our families and students learn together through the hands-on activities we're providing. We want our parents to know what our students are learning here at school. For example, some of our booths are providing them with information of what's happening in the classroom and also in programs that we're offering school-wide.
Hi, my name is Alexandra. I'm in 5th grade. The favorite thing about tonight, which is STEAM night, is our booth for IT that is over there. We're doing multiple apps. My favorite one is probably the placement one. It's a financial game about you're an adult and you're getting your way through tough times with only a certain amount of money. It's pretty fun.
My name is Lucretia Dobson. I am a former student here from 1st grade through 6th grade, as were my brothers before me and now my 2 youngest children. My favorite thing about the STEAM night is that it gets all families out for a night of really cool, being able to come out and see what all the kids have done. It's really neat to see their imaginations at work, recreating all these really neat projects out of recyclable materials. They all get a chance to put their own little spin on it, and then all the fun activities that they get to put hands on out in the courtyard.
My name is Celia Venegas. I teach 3rd grade at McGraw Elementary. I am the STEAM team teacher, so for grades 3 through 5. So today we are hosting our STEAM Family Night. It's our 2nd annual Family Night. It's a free event for families and the students to come on out to have a great time together and to see how STEAM is incorporated into many aspects of their life that they might not even know. For example, one of our booths is they're making ice cream. So they're getting to see how the states of matter, how they have these liquids and they mix them together with some ice and they're making a solid out of it and they're getting a yummy treat. All the STEAM members in the class have planned and prepared all their booths. So yeah, it's just a great event for our families and we're super excited and proud to host this for our community.
My name is Griselda Orona and my son is in kindergarten, and my favorite thing about today is that he gets to do hands-on activity as well with myself.
Hi, my name is Katie Keppa and I'm the art teacher at C.W. McGraw, and tonight we're showcasing art as part of our STEAM night. We have some wonderful student artwork hanging up here in the cafeteria, and we also have a few booths for our students to come and make art projects that they get to take with them. And as part of our community involvement, we actually have the Littlewood Co-op here doing a collaborative piece. So trying to incorporate art into our STEAM and really showcasing what our students have been doing.
Hi, my name is Melinda Munoz. My stepson Michael Munoz attends 1st grade here with Mrs. White. And the best thing about this event tonight was definitely the music and all the kids trying different projects, making slime and Coke with Mentos, and it was exciting.